Is this your water? How many people do you have?
Hi,
Hi, girl. Who else do you have? You have the girl. Who else do you have? You have the daddy, the mommy. You showed me. Who's that?
Min.
The man? The man.
Min.
Men?
Min.
Nothing like these old Fisher-Price toys.
Min.
Men? The little people?
Min.
Hi, man. And the mommy? They fit in the bus? No more? They want to go in the bus anymore? Okay, we'll finish with the bus. You want to count how many? How many? 1. Ankle. I love you.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh. How many people? You counting them? Boo-boo? Okay, so make sana sana? Sana sana. Oh, better you kiss it? I'm going to kiss you now.